Hi, my name is Ravinder, and in this video I explain how you can get everything from Hue smart lights with timers, geofencing, presence simulation, and other automation. If you use a Hue Bridge, you can control your lights anytime and anywhere in the world. For example, if you are on the train or while shopping. And even if you are abroad, all you need is an internet connection, for example, with Wi-Fi or mobile internet data. To set your lights remotely, open the app and go to Settings, then choose Out of Home Control and activate it in your system. If you use an Apple device and set it up as home, you can also control your smart lights from a great distance. You do need a device that stays at home while you're away, such as an iPad, Apple TV, or HomePod. Open the Hue app and go to Settings. Click on Smart Home. Now you tap on Get Started, then on Apple Home. Next, click on Setup. Then click Next and log in with your Philips Hue account. Choose the home you want to connect to or create a new home. Follow the instructions to set your lights up in the Apple Home app and finally tap Done. You can then immediately try out the most popular voice commands. Hey Siri, turn on the cozy lighting scene. Piece of cake, right? Another way to control your smart lighting is by using timers. You can set them so that your light starts dimming and eventually turns off completely after a certain time. Setting a timer is very easy and is a bit like setting an alarm clock. Open the app and tap on the Routines tab. Find and select the Timers option. Set the time, for example, 30 minutes, and choose which lights or rooms the timer should control. This can be a specific light or multiple lights in a room or zone. Then decide what should happen when the timer starts. In this example, I leave the light off and finally save the settings. Your timer is then immediately activated. The third way of controlling your lights that I will discuss is through geofencing. Geofencing means something like creating a virtual fence around your house. Through the internet or the GPS location of your phone, your system knows when you arrive home and automatically turns on the light for you. And when you leave the house, the light turns off by itself. That saves a lot of energy without you having to do anything. If you share your house with your partner or children, for example, and someone leaves while the others stay home, then geofencing knows that your lights can just stay on. With the app, you can set your smart lights so that they turn on and off automatically while you are away. For example, if you are on vacation or on a business trip, this is called presence simulation. This makes it seem as if you're home and scares off unwanted guests. That way, you can leave the house with peace of mind. Setting up presence simulation is very easy. You set it up in a few steps. Open the app and go to Automation. Click the plus and choose Custom. Choose a start time, for example sunset, and an end time, in this case 11 o'clock. Then choose on which days of the week the routine should run. Do you want the routine to run at random times? Then turn on random times. Choose the lights or zones that should participate and select a chosen scene. Give your routine a name, for example vacation, and click Done. Think carefully about how your normal routines look when setting this up. Ask yourself how you would use your lighting if you were home. For example, you can first have the living room lights turn on and later those in the bedroom. This way you can simulate your presence as naturally as possible. Now, you know how to get the most out of your smart home with timers, geofencing, and other automations. Did you find it interesting? Then also check out our channel. There you will find many more videos about smart lighting. Thanks for watching.